And then I noticed that it was a big change, right? Everyone had ownership. Everyone knew then what we were going to do. And we were more like a team.
Yeah, I feel like the least effective product people or leaders see, like, you could compare them to just a waiter. Like, they're just taking the orders and then they make a Gantt chart and then they're like, cool, it's easy. Like, customer said this. When do you guys think we could integrate this into the product? And then everyone's like, wait, what? Like, you didn't, like, how did you just, you didn't, like, there was no synthesis between what came out of like the stakeholder's mouth to what made it onto your Gantt chart. All
Yeah,
they're doing is just transcribing the stakeholder needs and then turning it into some roadmap.
I think that's spot on.